When Jonathan Rose co-founded Genesis Gold Group, he knew there were threats coming down the pike. This was before the banking crises, massive inflation, de-dollarization, and all of the other financial challenges that have plagued Americans the last couple of years. With 20 years in the precious metals industry, it seemed clear to him that whatever was coming, it wasn't part of the standard economic cycles that he studied. When central bank digital currencies started rearing their ugly heads, he knew they were the threats that had triggered his fiscal instincts. They'd been working on digital currencies for years, but it wasn't until the central banks started putting all of their efforts into them that the real threats to our freedoms became apparent, Rose said. And it's no coincidence that when they really started pushing CBDCs, they also started buying up as much gold and silver as they could. A recent BIS survey showed 93% of central banks worldwide are currently working on their own CBDC. The vast majority of precious metals companies are giddy about this prospect because it means that gold and silver prices may skyrocket. But Rose is a Christian and a patriot. Any gains his company might make in precious metals will not be worth the loss of freedoms and privacy that central bank digital currencies represent. When customers come to us for a self-directed IRA, at least half of them are concerned about a digital dollar or other CBDCs on the horizon, he said. We roll over or transfer their retirement accounts in ways that put the right mix of physical precious metals in their depositories. If we can't stop the central banks from launching their CBDCs, then at least we can help Americans protect their life savings. Genesis Gold Group is unabashedly faith-driven and believes in an America First worldview. But it's in their customer service that they've been able to make a real impact on the precious metals industry. While most are busy trying to entice customers with free silver, Genesis focuses on helping people truly defend their retirement accounts against the threats arrayed against Americans. That's why they continue to maintain a perfect 5 out of 5 through the Better Business Bureau. Here are some of their recent reviews. Genesis Gold Group has been very helpful to me as a first-time customer. They were very patient with me and answered every question I had. The process of moving my funds from my former account to was straightforward and easy. I highly recommend their services. Genesis Gold Group is a wonderful company to do business with. The staff are knowledgeable, courteous, and patient. Knows I've had many questions before, during, and even after opening my self-directed IRA, and everyone has been very kind and open. Start your gold IRA with Genesis Gold Group without reservation. The staff at Genesis Gold Group has been very friendly and helpful. I was contacted by them when I left my contact details on their website. They weren't just interested in my business only, but me as well. I can tell that they're for real. My texts are replied within the same day. I had a concern and I got a call within hours. The staff was willing to talk about life, food, prayed for my wife. This is how businesses should be. It takes something special to do so. And most importantly, I am not the investor with a lot of money here, just pocket change, and I have never felt like I am an inferior person. Glad I found Genesis Gold Group. This company has been a wonderful choice for us and helped greatly when we were buying metals for the first time. Is easy to talk to and very kind. He understands that most of us don't have a clue about making a purchase buying precious metals. I absolutely recommend Genesis Gold Group. Not all gold IRAs are put together the same, Rose said. We stay on top of what's happening with CBDCs and other threats so we can help our customers reach the true safe haven that physical precious metals offers them.